everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Melanie and I do daily and weekly food hauls as well as beauty unboxings, TK Maxx hauls, B&M hauls and similar videos to that. So if that's the type of video you like, please subscribe to my channel. So today's video is just a very small haul from Tesco. There's not many items, it's mainly cleaning, household type items, but I will still show you everything that I've got. So the first item that I got is just a small bottle of Diet Coke, and the thing that I seem to be getting every day at the moment is Innocent Bubbles in the best flavour, which is apple and berry. The second best is the lime one, and the other one, the orange and lime, is horrible, so I wouldn't recommend that one. Then I got a pack of the luxury soft quilted toilet rolls. These are actually really good. Then I got two method cleaners. These are on offer for £2 at the moment. So I got the shower one, which I've had before. It was the first one I ever had, and it's really nice. And this is the bathroom one, which I've never tried. The shower one you basically spray when you get out the shower, and it helps keep it clean. You still need to give it a good clean every now and then, but this helps and it smells amazing. And I've never tried this one before, but I have smelt it. It is eucalyptus and it's really nice. This was on offer as well, the Airwick thing, I can't even think what it's called, but reed diffuser. I have normally I get the Glade one for my bathroom, but this was on offer and I got it and I like that. I don't know if it's showing, but it does have like beads inside of it. I think it's just showing. Then I got a Lily's Kitchen chicken and turkey casserole for the dog. It's back up to full price, but I thought I'd treat her. And then I got an Evian. And that is absolutely everything that I got. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And I'll be back again tomorrow with a video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.